2016, the Schenectady General Electric Company built a crane platform and assembled a giant crane at lock number 8 of the Erie Canal on the Mohawk River for the transportation by barge of completely assembled giant steam turbines and generators. Here, high-tech reaches back to past ingenuity of the Erie Canal for cost-cutting common sense. In return, and by agreement, the GE will allow the New York State Canal Corp to use this crane. Prior to this, the General Electric had been shipping its turbines and generators in pieces by railroad and truck. Once again, they realized that they could transport a few miles away a completed turbine by way of the 19th century Erie Canal, from the manufacturing point of Schenectady to the port of Albany on the Hudson River for worldwide shipment by sea. Somehow they forgot, but were wise enough to remember, the economy of shipping by the Erie Canal. New school remembers old school. There is hope yet. On one such transport, this here crane bench pressed onto a barge a 4,000-ton steam generator. That's 8 million pounds. Get a load of that. Excuse the pun.